Hello everyone, it's Miss Martika here with the Fairfield Public Library. We are making a cool craft today, and it is a box. He is such a cute one. Continue to watch this video so you can make this cool craft with me. Okay, so in your take and make bag, you should have orange construction paper, a heart cutout, a triangle cutout, 3 popsicle sticks, a black pom-pom, and 2 googly eyes. From home, you would need scissors, orange marker or crayon, black marker or crayon, and glue. We're going to cut out our triangle. And we're going to take our triangle and put it on our orange paper and trace. Out our triangle and cut that out. Perfect. We're gonna need to take our paper here, and we have 2 triangle tops on both of our paper. We're gonna cut that to make 2 ears for our fox. Perfect. We are going to glue on our popsicle sticks to our orange paper. So we'll put our first one down, so just add the glue and place it on one side. We're going to take the next one and add the glue on the tips. And we're going to lap it on top of the first one and then down. And then this one's gonna lap on both sides. So making sure you add enough glue. Perfect. Our next step is to color in our popsicle sticks. Whoop. So I keep coming out the line. So this is definitely a lot of concentration. So we'll put that over to the side. So I'm going to glue my triangle to the back for one ear, then the other ear. Perfect. The next thing I'm going to do is take my heart stencil and I'm going to cut out my heart. And then I'm going to cut my heart right down the middle. I'm going to take the two halves of the heart and I'm going to place it onto the popsicle sticks and glue that down. Here I'll take the eyes and I'm gonna put one eye here and one eye here, and I will glue on the nose with the pom-pom. Thank you for continuing to watch this video and making this cool craft with me. As always, please make sure you are checking out our calendar so you're up to date with everything happening here at the Fairfield Public Library. Until next time, see you later.